3 years later, and these broke.
What was the problem?
I broke my back.
But don't prejudge. I'm going to explain what happened and the experience with customer service and the fix. Let's go. So, my son was working out in the garage and he says he was doing dumbbell rows and the weight slipped out of his hand. The dumbbell still works, but with crunching sounds, and you can only read the weight on one side. These things have been good to me for 3 solid years. Accidents happen. So I contacted Nuobell. They responded quick and they sent me a replacement handle a few weeks later. Even though I was out of warranty by a lot. I was stunned. The handle was about $150, which my other option was to purchase a new one. Changing the old handle out was easy. Just turn the weight to the lowest setting, 5 pounds, and take out these 4 screws from both sides. So let's get it done. They're not too big. Once all 4 screws are out, the last weight lifts right up. To make sure I put this in right, I align the old handle with the new. This can be unaligned, but matching the weight shape to the handle and aligning the screws confirms everything is correctly aligned. Just get the 4 screws back into the new unit. Make sure this guide piece is aligned with the number. And now the other side. Again, you can see the difference in the shape that matches the handle. Now let's try it out. Works like new. No way are the older ones fixable. You just need to get a new handle. I'm still very happy with these Nuobells, just don't drop them. But if you like this video and it helped, drop me a comment and subscribe.